Shrangshala Dosor Debabona Agriculture Te Family Welfare Department Saktharmung by Salsani Bagwi Khlaijakha Workshop Panda Manjaka Agriculture Department Te Family Welfare Department Officer Rock Ashala Agri Te Horticulture Rock ni Bagwi Dal Bidal Nangkumani Koklam Sajaka Abahikin Kubang Lukurok Fai Manjaka
75 lakh numbers of farmers in the state, and we do the cultivation in an area of 24% of the total geographic area of the state. And our total doorstep area, including this Kharif Rabi, is around 4.85 lakh hectare. So agriculture, horticulture, PINO is very important, and TRAPS has been just started only 2 years back. We are on the second year, and we also have the TSA, Agriculture Finance Corporation, as a technical supporting agency to run this our TRAPS project within this agriculture horticulture. So among all the selected agriculture horticulture crops, we have 6 agriculture crops under this TRAPS, and mainly the problem with the agri-horti producers are the productivity is not much of national level except few rice and some vegetables, and we lack the market access, and we also lack in this one processing and value addition.
Sir, Director of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Dr. Chini, sir.
Raja Khorang Chini Khorang.